Ah, the bathroom. It's often the one space in our homes where we can truly escape the daily hustle and bustle, a place for self-care and relaxation. But what if you could elevate that experience further, transforming your bathroom into a tranquil and luxurious oasis? Today, we're diving into the world of spa-like bathroom remodels. Whether you're dreaming of a complete overhaul or just looking for home improvement ideas to add a touch of luxury, this video will equip you with practical and appealing suggestions to create your own personal spa retreat right at home. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover how you can turn your bathroom into a haven of tranquility and indulgence.
Setting the stage for serenity. When we think of spa-like, what comes to mind? Relaxation, right? But how can we achieve that feeling during our home remodeling project? Well, the first step is setting the stage for serenity. This starts with the color palette. Imagine a gentle ocean breeze or a calming forest walk. Colors like soft blues, greens, and grays can help create a peaceful atmosphere in your bathroom. Now think about the materials you see in a spa. Do they feel sleek and cold or warm and inviting? Natural materials like wood and stone bring a sense of warmth and connect your bathroom to the natural world. They're perfect for adding that spa-like touch during your home improvement journey. Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood too. Harsh overhead lights can feel sterile, while soft, dimmable lighting creates a more inviting atmosphere. Think about incorporating different types of lights, like wall sconces or even a statement chandelier, to create a layered and relaxing lighting experience in your bathroom. By choosing calming colors, natural materials, and relaxing lighting, you've already taken a big step towards creating your own peaceful oasis at home. Stay tuned to learn even more ways to transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat. Luxury through lighting. We talked about setting the stage for serenity, and lighting plays a big role in that. Remember, harsh overhead lights can feel like you're in an office, not a spa. In your home improvement project, consider adding dimmable switches for your lights. This allows you to control the brightness and create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Think beyond just the overhead lights. Wall sconces create a soft glow on your face while showering or applying makeup. Pendant lights add a beautiful focal point and extra brightness over the bathtub. Even under-cabinet lighting can be a great way to add a touch of luxury and illuminate your bathroom essentials. While it's not for everyone, adding a statement chandelier can be a unique way to bring a touch of luxury and elegance to your home remodeling project. Remember, the goal is to create a relaxing and enjoyable space. So have fun exploring different lighting options and see what works best for your spa-like bathroom retreat.
The ultimate bathing experience. Okay, picture this. You're coming home after a long day, feeling stressed and tired. All you want is to soak away your worries in a relaxing bath. Now, which bathroom experience would you choose? In a spa-like bathroom, your bathtub should be the ultimate relaxation destination. Imagine sinking into a deep freestanding tub after a long day. The spacious design allows you to truly stretch out and unwind, unlike a cramped shower stall. Plus, freestanding tubs add a touch of luxury and elegance to your bathroom, making it feel like a true spa retreat. Don't have the space for a bathtub? No worries. A walk-in shower with a rainfall showerhead can still create that luxurious spa feeling. Imagine standing under a gentle cascade of warm water, washing away your stress and worries. Now, add the ultimate finishing touch: heated bathroom floors. Stepping onto warm floors, especially on chilly mornings, is a simple luxury that elevates your bathroom experience and adds a touch of spa-like indulgence. So whether it's a luxurious freestanding tub, a spa-inspired shower, or even heated floors, remember, it's all about creating a bathing experience that leaves you feeling relaxed, rejuvenated, and pampered at home. Stay tuned to learn even more ways to turn your bathroom into a spa-like haven.
Creating tranquility through details. We've covered some bigger elements, but remember, it's the details that truly set the scene for tranquility in your spa-like bathroom. First things first, declutter. A cluttered bathroom can feel overwhelming and stressful. Invest in storage solutions like cabinets, drawers, or even open shelving to keep everything organized and put away. This creates a sense of calm and makes your bathroom feel more spacious. Now let's bring nature indoors. Plants not only add a pop of color and life, but also improve air quality and boost your mood. Choose low-maintenance plants that thrive in humid environments like orchids or bamboo. Finally, engage your senses. Light a scented candle or use an essential oil diffuser to create a relaxing aroma. Consider adding a towel warmer to preheat your towels for an extra touch of luxury and comfort. Remember, small details can make a big difference. By decluttering, incorporating nature, and engaging your senses, you can transform your bathroom into a peaceful and rejuvenating oasis, right at home. Stay tuned to learn even more ways to bring your spa-like bathroom vision to life. So, there you have it. From choosing calming colors and natural materials to incorporating relaxing lighting and luxurious bath features, we've explored a variety of bathroom remodel ideas to help you create a spa-like retreat in your own home in 2024. Remember, your home improvement journey is all about creating a space that reflects your personal style and enhances your well-being. Whether you choose to implement all of these ideas or just a few, have fun and let your creativity flow. Stay tuned for our next video, Walk-in Shower Design Tips, where we'll guide you through planning and installing a beautiful and functional walk-in shower for your spa-like bathroom oasis. Don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement inspiration and leave a comment below with your favorite spa-like bathroom element.